Hi, I'm Vincent.
Hi, I'm Lacey. We are the school captains for Monkland Statesville 2018.
And we love the living classroom.
Ta-da!
We learn how to build a self-sustainable garden, work as a team and fix climate change.
We have learnt amazing life skills like composting, growing our own food and cooking the vegetables that we grow, and we've recycled old junk.
In just 1 year, they've helped us make a garden for the kindergarteners and turn pavement into a permaculture paradise.
Imagine what they could do with your help. For some of us, this is the last year of Monkland.
But we want to pass on our gardening knowledge to the younger ones.
Dan, Aaron, and Vanessa have done really good for the school. The garden is really good, so I'd like to give them a gift for this new year.
Woo!
We want the living classroom in every school in Australia.
Help the living classroom!
Do it. It's a great idea.